Trey, that's an awesome sand angel. What's your angel's name? Wow, look at that sand angel. That is too cool. Oh, look at the beautiful angel. Look at the beautiful sand angel. Oh, Mommy likes that. It's okay. Okay. Another sand angel. Oh, that's going to be a good one. Come this way. Oh, beautiful sand angel. You know what the best sand angel is here? Is you. Your mama's very favorite sand angel.